Planning is a fundamental responsibility of the finance function and plays a critical role in enabling organizations to create and preserve value. In a rapidly changing digital environment, organizations must establish clear objectives and determine how resources can be used most effectively to achieve them. Planning provides a structured framework for decision-making by translating strategic goals into actionable initiatives. It helps management identify opportunities, anticipate challenges, and coordinate activities across departments. Through effective planning, organizations can align their operations with long-term objectives, improve accountability, and ensure that financial and non-financial resources are directed toward activities that generate sustainable value and competitive advantage. Forecasting complements planning by providing management with informed estimates about future conditions and business performance. Finance professionals use historical data, market trends, economic indicators, and operational information to develop forecasts relating to sales, costs, cash flows, demand, and resource requirements. These forecasts help organizations anticipate changes in their environment and prepare appropriate responses. In uncertain and dynamic markets, forecasting reduces uncertainty by providing insight into possible future outcomes. Although forecasts cannot eliminate risk, they enable management to make more informed decisions and adapt strategies when circumstances change. Accurate forecasting therefore supports organizational agility and strengthens long-term value creation. Resource allocation is another essential mechanism through which finance enables value creation. Organizations typically operate with limited financial, human, technological, and physical resources, making it necessary to allocate these resources efficiently. Finance professionals evaluate competing demands and determine how resources should be distributed to maximize organizational benefits. Effective resource allocation ensures that investments are directed toward projects, activities, and business units that offer the greatest potential return and strategic value. Poor allocation decisions can result in wasted resources, missed opportunities, and reduced organizational performance. Therefore, finance plays a vital role in balancing priorities and supporting optimal utilization of organizational assets. The integration of planning, forecasting, and resource allocation creates a powerful framework for organizational decision-making. Planning establishes objectives, forecasting provides forward-looking insights, and resource allocation ensures the necessary support for implementation. Together, these activities enable organizations to coordinate efforts across functions and align operational activities with strategic priorities. The finance function contributes by collecting and analyzing relevant information, evaluating alternatives, and providing recommendations to management. This integrated approach improves organizational responsiveness and enhances the ability to manage uncertainty. As a result, organizations can pursue growth opportunities while maintaining effective control over costs, risks, and resource commitments. Advancements in digital technology have significantly enhanced the effectiveness of planning, forecasting, and resource allocation processes. Modern finance functions increasingly rely on data analytics, automation, cloud computing, and integrated information systems to generate timely and accurate insights. These technologies allow finance professionals to process large volumes of data, identify trends more quickly, and develop sophisticated forecasting models. Real-time access to information improves decision-making and enables organizations to respond rapidly to changing conditions. Digital tools also support scenario analysis and predictive modeling, helping management evaluate alternative strategies and allocate resources more effectively in uncertain business environments. Ultimately, enabling value creation through planning, forecasting, and resource allocation represents one of the most important contributions of the finance function. Rather than simply reporting historical results, finance professionals actively shape how organizations create and preserve value. By supporting strategic planning, providing reliable forecasts, and ensuring efficient resource deployment, finance helps organizations achieve their objectives and maintain competitive advantage. These activities strengthen organizational resilience, improve decision quality, and facilitate sustainable growth. In the modern digital world, the ability to combine analytical insight with forward-looking decision support has become a defining characteristic of an effective and value-focused finance function.